Hi guys, welcome to Duo Tashik. I'm your Duo and welcome back to show you how to download new movies now. So I'll start now. Okay, first of all, you will go to drawer and open your browser. I used to use the browser, I already said. The first site I'm going to show you is coolmovies.com. It's a wonderful site and it gives you your set of cool movies out in very low quality but also handy for some of them. Like me, I used to download only very low quality, but I like that. So okay, I will search for Justice League. Okay, you can search and you can get Hollywood movies, Hollywood dubbed movies, animated movies, etc. So Justice League. Okay, the all the characteristics of the movie will be displayed there, and you will get the three type of quality. Okay, I will take the high quality, and from server 1 you will get you can notice that you can download it from there. Okay, I'm not going to download it, so just try. Okay, the next site is 300 MB counter. Okay, 300 MB counter. Okay, 300 MB counter. Just go to the site. This is a wonderful site for Hollywood movies and Bollywood movies. Everything in high qualities, and the new movies will arrive as soon as they come into theaters very fast. I can see a very big collection of movies. Okay, it's Jumanji, Hindi dubbed. It's Pulimurugan Malayalam, and I think it's a Telugu movie, English movie. There is a large variety of collection. Okay, like this, don't forget to subscribe, and there will be new movies, and in this too they have many more characters, categories and recent posters like that, so on. So these two are very handy websites. You can so download many movies. So okay, don't forget, it's 3MB 300 MB counter.com. High quality and small size. Okay, Puli Murugan. Okay, many movies. Okay, just click on that. Thank you for watching.
I know that you like it like that. I wear designer, check the name on the tag. White fox fur on my jacket. Excuse me.